We take our bidirectional energy storage inverter, we overlay a very tight software control on top of it, which is actually a grid forming software control. It is synchronous grid forming. Rather than being grid forming in a pure off grid scenario, we're actually constantly operating the inverter in what's called a voltage source mode. We are actually contributing and driving that AC waveform rather than being a grid following inverter, which is just seeing a waveform and latching onto it and injecting current. That's a current source mode from a grid following inverter. In a grid forming inverter, we're in a voltage source mode and we are helping to build upon that waveform. We can adjust that waveform between active and reactive power quite significantly. And in doing so, we can create the same exact type of behavior that a spinning generator would. So we do it with an inverter, with software controls, and then we need a battery, of course, connected to the inverter as a DC source. So it's always a captive sort of reserve of capacity to create that stability.